Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to discuss something very important related to TCS, the claims on TCS about the layoffs and involuntary things that are happening, and whether TCS has rejected it or approved it. We will also discuss what exactly is happening in companies like Oracle and Deloitte, and what exactly and who exactly basically is the richest man in the world right now. So without wasting any more time, let us move forward. The number one thing is that I want you all to please subscribe to our YouTube channel if you find our content helpful and meaningful. If the videos you are liking, then please share this video with all of your friends who are working in the IT industry. The first and most important thing is that this is basically the co-founder and CTO of Oracle, okay, Mr. Ellison. So this guy was basically the richest man in the world for some time, for one day almost, where he overtook Elon Musk, okay, to be the richest man in the world, okay, not only in the USA but the entire world. And the second important thing is that he is the CTO and co-founder of Oracle, which is again a very big database and cloud company. So their share prices on particular day when the results were announced for this particular company, their share prices jumped around 15 to 20 or 25 plus percentage, okay, in one single day. And that is the reason his wealth, okay, his total wealth was increased by around $100 billion. Yes, that is the amount of wealth that the India's highest richest person has, around 110 $115 billion, and he got that within one particular day. Okay, why that happened? Because this is the Austin headquartered database software giant, which is Oracle, as you all know, which is having a cloud infrastructure service, okay, and the revenue is going to reach around 32 billion by financial year 27, okay, which is right now at 10.2 billion dollars, which is reported. Okay, the company is forecasting that their cloud infrastructure business will be like threefolding, okay, 3x within 2 years. Okay, this is what they are forecasting, and that is the reason his wealth, along with the Oracle share price, it bounced really high on one particular day. Now, why am I telling you this? Okay, I am telling you this because the same day this particular thing happened, that is, Oracle laid off in 20 minutes Zoom call. So Oracle called their employees and they simply laid them off, not only in India but the entire world. Close to 2,500 employees are fired. Okay, the confirmed number is not there yet, but it is assumed that it will be around 3,000 employees who were working in the cloud division that are fired. And on one side, you can see that the cloud infrastructure revenue will be increasing threefold, but right here they are firing off 3,000 employees all over the world on a 20-minute Zoom call. Is this fair? This is the question that a lot of people, a lot of analysts are asking to this particular IT giant, that they are having a very good profit. Why are they laying their employees? Okay, whether it is the architecture or the infra or what exactly is happening at this particular company, right? Next thing is coming from Deloitte. Okay, one of the influencers from US, what she mentioned is that Deloitte is asking people to come to office, okay, and you have to come to office at least 2 days a week, right? So here she mentions on Twitter that Deloitte told its staff in India to show up in the office at least 2 days a week or risk negative performance reviews. So even if you're working from home and you're providing the best output, you are very productive, you will still have to face negative performance reviews, which is a very bad thing. Okay, so it proves that return to office in India keeps quality high at low or lower cost when backfilling jobs from those that don't comply. Clients will demand the same from Accenture, PwC, Infosys, Wipro, TCS. Okay, that means even less demand for high cost US EU consultants. So yes, you should care. So that is one of the big reasons to worry. Okay, next important thing is regarding TCS. A lot of people of you might be waiting for this update. Okay, so TCS rejected claims of layoffs. Let us discuss first important thing, right? So IT union, okay, that is Unite, claims that TCS is not laying around 2% or 3% of its workforce, but they are laying off more than that. They are laying off 30 to 40,000 videos, 30 to 40,000 jobs, my bad. So the number is not claimed. This number is basically claimed by the Unite, that is a IT unions union. Okay, but on top of that, TCS has dismissed the report and it is saying that it is incorrect and misleading, clarifying that only 2% of the workforce is impacted due to the layoffs at TCS, right? Next important thing, that is the update coming from TCS side, is that TCS employee forced into early retirements after 30 years of service. So a person who was 15 years old was working at TCS since the start of their career. He was having around 30 years of experience at TCS, very dedicated and consistent employee, and without any severance pay or without any compensation, okay, that employee was simply laid off due to some structure changes of the company. So whether this is right or wrong, so that a lot of like basically the news channels or the financial newspapers, they were asking TCS about this thing. So TCS mentioned that the misinformation quoted by an anonymous user on Reddit, which is a source of your article, is absolutely incorrect and false. So TCS has basically rejected the claims that someone was fired with 30 years of experience at that their particular company. So this is what TCS said. Okay, TCS official said to the Financial Express news media channel, basically, that they have not done any of this sort of layoffs. Okay, so this was the important thing, right? Now I think these are all the updates that we wanted to discuss, right? So apart from that, if you feel that if you have any questions, if you have any doubts, please ask in the comment section. We will happily answer all your questions, we will happily answer all your doubts. And please share these videos with all of your friends who are working in the IT industry, so they are also aware about the things that are happening in IT, and they can be aware, they can be conscious, and they will be continue to grow. Thank you and have a great day.